What's up, guys? AG Pyro here with my last and final stash update for 2024, July 4th. So did my last pickup today. Got these bad boys, 50 shot 2-inch red, white and blue peony, 2 cases of those. Got 5 cases of Thunder Willows. Sick new cake by 1%er. This is it right here. Banger. I have a demo video on it. So anyways, I'll come back for the rest. Got 2 crazy trains, 2 witch doctors, 2 shark bites, got 3 color infinity. That's the cake right there. Sick new cake. Big and heavy. Got, I think, 2 or 3 Midnight Madness 320. Look at that wrap. 1%er, baby. Got these bad boys. Oh yeah. HCMF Locos. Got a little bit. Of course, got the color ones too. Still got some Master 5s left. A couple of Porkies. And then we got all these bad boys. A couple of Lost Souls. Look at that wrap, guys. Sick cakes. A couple of Money Shot. Some Nun. Oh yeah. I love that movie, by the way. Got this one. What is it? Can't remember what that one is. Gotta find it somewhere. I'll get back to you on that one. Yeah, sick wrap too. Got 1 juice left. Couple of Neos. Oh, what is that one? Man. I'll get back to you on that one too. Should have them somewhere over here. Anyways, a few of these neon 36 shot 3-inch bore. Beautiful cake. Got some Wanted. Had to. A buddy of mine pick one up. Got the rest of the Nuns right there. Pyro. Never seen this brand, but they got some sick cakes. Got Toxic 2. Midnight Madness. Couple cakes. There's some Pro line over there. There's a Grave Digger. Yeah, those I had. Got some Monstrous Strobe, Death Punch, Screaming Angels. Couple of Rapture cakes. I think that's what this one is. I think that one is Rapture. Some Thunder Kings. More Thunder Kings. Look at this cake, guys. 110 shot Supernova. 1%er. A couple of those. Got more Thunder Willows. Look at that wrap. BTK, baby. Sick wrap. 1%er. Got 2 of those. Let's see. Got these cakes right here. 49 shot. Sick. Anyways, let's move along. We got Neo, Black Magic. More Thunder Willows right there. Got a couple more Skull Crushers. Some Master Cakes. Got these Power Rangers. Got some Boomsticks. Fun little things. A case of those. Anyways, what do we got? We got another case of Bang Bang. 120 shot Thunder King. I think these are color, not sure, but fanned, so really nice. Some more 25 shot Thunder King by Night Owl. I don't think these are instant, can't remember. I think these are the instant ones. Yeah, got a couple cases of those. And these babies right here. If you know, you know. Sick. Some minis. Yeah, so I think, oh yeah, got a case of Master Ballistic colors. Got 2 of these left. Super Rockets. Big cakes. Yeah, a lot of it is gone. I got 1 Beast left, a couple of Godzillas, a couple of Game Overs left, 1 Corona Killer, 1 Invasion. Oh man, these are heavy. Let's see what else is new. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Midnight Madness. Yeah, I think I already showed you guys these ones. Anyways, all right, like and subscribe. Once again, hit me up if you guys, oh, forgot this one. It's another 50 shot 2-inch bore. Yeah, hit me up if you guys need any help with this stuff. Always happy to help if I can, of course. All right, well, probably won't have any demos coming before the 4th because I still gotta work on my show. But yeah, lots of this stuff, it will be in it. All right, guys, enjoy.